Hey guys! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of Marvel's smartest and stretchiest heroes, Mr. Fantastic. But we're not just talking about his incredible powers. We're breaking down why he's a masterclass duelist in the Marvel Universe. Mr. Fantastic, the leader of the Fantastic Four. He's no stranger to intense battles and high-stakes duels. As a superhero with the ability to stretch and manipulate his body like rubber, he's taken on some of the most formidable FOs in the Marvel Universe. Let's talk about his stretch punch. When it comes to dueling situations, Mr. Fantastic faces a unique set of challenges. His powers, although incredibly versatile, can be limited against opponents who possess abilities that counter his stretching. For instance, his first ability, Brainiac Bounce, leap into the air and crash down, slowing enemies within the impact zone. You can leap again upon landing a successful hit. He creates unpredictable attack patterns, leaving opponents reeling, and uses his powers to outmaneuver FOs, striking from unexpected angles. Reflexive Rubber is one of Mr. Fantastic's abilities in Marvel Rivals. When activated, Mr. Fantastic stretches his body for 3 seconds, gaining a shield that can absorb up to 300 damage. During this time, any attacks directed at him are absorbed and bounced back as small projectiles, dealing 60% of the absorbed damage to the attacker. Another fantastic ability of Mr. Fantastic, Flexible Elongation, is one of Mr. Fantastic's abilities in Marvel Rivals. When activated, Mr. Fantastic gains a shield that provides 75 bonus health. He can then select a target and dash towards them. If the target is an enemy, he deals damage upon impact. If the target is an ally, he grants them a shield that provides 75 bonus health. Distended Grip is one of Mr. Fantastic's projectile abilities. When activated, Mr. Fantastic extends his arms forward to entangle an enemy. You can then press the left mouse button LMB to pull the hit enemy toward you, or select and yank another enemy, knocking them airborne against each other. Pretty cool, right? Elastic Strength is Mr. Fantastic's passive ability in Marvel Rivals. When Mr. Fantastic uses his abilities, he generates elasticity, which boosts his attack power. Once he reaches full elasticity, he triggers an inflated state that grants him a shield and further boosts his damage. Pretty powerful, right? Let's talk Special Effect. Wedded Harmony is a team-up ability in Marvel Rivals. When activated, the Invisible Woman channels her psionic might to fortify the entire Fantastic Four team. This formidable force bolsters Mr. Fantastic, granting him damage resistance. Additionally, the team can continually generate bonus health, making up for lost health with each passing moment. Improvisation is the name of the game. Whether it's creating complex traps, outsmarting enemies, or using his environment to his advantage, Mr. Fantastic's adaptability is unmatched. It's this fusion of intellect and creativity that makes him one of the most feared duelists in the Marvel Universe. So, what's your favorite Mr. Fantastic moment? Was it a clever use of his powers, or an epic display of strategy in battle? Let us know in the comments below.